trying to make this corner, like this section is made looks like a teardrop, and he's trying to make the whole circle fully spinning, but it's got hard because the thing's shaped like a teardrop. So he has to. There's a space coming up right there where you can see straight ahead. That's a whole straight stretch for quite a ways, and he's trying to hold it sideways the whole time. We'll see if he can do it this time, eh? Oh, I think he did it. I think he did it. Not that time. Styling. Maybe you'll try this other way now this time.
More, and then we gotta get out of here before the fuzz shows up. Because the cops are gonna come. Somebody might phone the cops.
Sweet, man. Ooh, close. Very close to that pole. Hey, what's happening? What's the fuzz? Hey, what's happening? Yeah. No, we're coming. We're getting away from these cops, man. They're coming at us. Let's go. Let's go.
I come out here at night and drift it all the time. Hopefully there's no cops around. I don't see anybody coming. I'm gonna go find a proper little roundabout here. It's out of Jericho Beach, Vancouver, BC. Little rain drifting. Low power Miata. Not exactly a drift car, but gets the job done. Open diff too. I got no limited slip in this thing. There we go.
Bunny drift. It's just the bunny drift, man.
Get out there.
Yeah! Yeah! That was crazy. Bunny drift. Cops, come, let's get out of here, man! Ah!
That was wicked. I like look at the camera for a while while I keep drifting.
Yeah.
Did you see me? I'm like, like mid drift.
It looked awesome too. Actually, the center piece was perfect, man.